Hello, friends. I'm your one and only German guru. So, before we start today's lesson, I would like to thank you all for your valuable response on my previous video. If you are watching my channel for the first time, then watch my previous video. In that video, I have told some greetings of German. In this video, I will tell you all German numbers from 0 to 10 and their pronunciations. So, let's start. Null is 0 and its pronunciation is null, null, null. EINS is 1 and its pronunciation is eens, eens, eens. ZWEI is 2 and its pronunciation is zwei, zwei, zwei. DREI is 3 and its pronunciation is dry, dry, dry. English wala dry. VIER is 4 and its pronunciation is Fia, not via, Fia, Fia, Fia. FUNF is 5 and its pronunciation is Funf, Funf, Funf. This U is another alphabet in German. SECHS is 6 and its pronunciation is Zex, Zex, Zex. SIEBEN is 7 and its pronunciation is Sieben, Sieben, Sieben. ACHT is 8 and its pronunciation is Acht, 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 Acht. NEUN is 9 and its pronunciation is Neun, Neun, Neun. ZEHN is 10 and its pronunciation is Sane, Sane, Sane. In my next video, I will teach you all German numbers from 11 to 20. So, auf Wiedersehen, which means bye.
Fire when the strong hits you.
That's it, Brian?